Hey guys, it's Simon from Strapify, here to give you a quick tutorial on how to remove your quick release spring bars from your watch straps. So first of all, we'll remove the strap from the watch. And on the back of your strap, there'll be a quick release cutout. In this case, the cutout is on the right, so we'll move the spring bar to the left. Next, we'll bend the strap on the right hand side back, and with our left index finger, we'll push the spring bar to the right. Now we'll just remove the spring bar using our right hand, and now it's out. So to put this back in, we'll put this spring bar back in on an angle, put a little bit of force in, that way the spring bar can be wedged in and will stay in place like that. We'll now angle it down a bit so that it's horizontal to the spring bar hole, and then we can just push it in. And we'll push it in all the way to the end so that the tip can go inside the cutout. And now we can just reset the position by pushing it back out. So that's really it. And now we can just put this back onto our watch. So one good thing to remember is the buckle side will usually go on the top of the watch. So this is at the top of the watch here. So you can see the logo's up the top. And so our buckle side now is on the top. And so we'll pop the spring bars back in, and we'll make sure that it clicks in place, and we'll just give it a tug to make sure that it's in properly. And we'll do the same for the other side. And make sure that it's snapped in place. And that's it.